We all know the superheroes: Superman, the Incredible Hulk, Spider-Man, Captain America, Doctor Strange, and all the others. And let's be honest, we kind of wanted to be them when we were little. But what if I told you that you already have a superpower? If you don't believe me, then think about your visions from the future, your visions from the past, and your ability to regenerate your entire body in only a few hours. If you still don't know what this power is, I'm talking about sleeping. Sleep is literally as old as time. Every animal must sleep to regenerate their bodies and cells. Sleep, or the lack thereof, influences our physical and mental health. Neurotransmitters control whether we are asleep or awake by acting on different neurons in the brain. Neurons in the brainstem, which connects the brain with the spinal cord, produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and norepinephrine that keep some parts of the brain active while we are awake. Other neurons at the base of the brain begin signaling when we fall asleep. These neurons appear to switch off the signals that keep us awake. Research also suggests that a chemical called adenosine builds up in our blood while we are awake, and it causes drowsiness. This chemical gradually breaks down while we sleep. In other words, the more you sleep, the more awake you're going to be when you wake up, because the more adenosine you will break down during your sleep. Your body goes through 5 stages of sleep throughout the night. Your cycle starts with NREM, or non-rapid eye movement sleep. There are 3 stages of this, and each stage may last for 5 to 45 minutes, based on your level of exhaustion or how much adenosine is in your blood. The first phase of NREM sleep is where your eyes are simply closed, and it's very easy to wake up. The second phase is where you are in light sleep. Your heart rate slows, your body temperature drops, and your body prepares for deep sleep. This second stage can last from 10 to 25 minutes. The third phase is the deep sleep stage. It's harder to rouse you during this stage, and if someone woke you up, you would feel disoriented for a few minutes. During the deep stages of NREM sleep, the body repairs and regrows tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the entire immune system. As you get older, you sleep more lightly and get less deep sleep. Usually, REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, happens 90 minutes after you fall asleep, or whenever your NREM sleep ends. The first period of REM typically lasts 10 minutes. Each of your later REM stages gets longer, and the final one may last up to an hour. Your heart rate and breathing will quicken, and you can have intense dreams during REM sleep, since your brain is more active. REM is important because it stimulates the areas of your brain which help with learning and is associated with increased production of proteins. Babies can spend up to 50% of their sleep in the REM stage, compared to only about 20% for adults. REM sleep phases are difficult to distinguish, so they are classified as only 1 to 2 phases. We've seen how good sleep is for your body and brain, and it's understandable that there are serious implications when we can't catch our Z's. Serious risks for chronic sleep deprivation are high blood pressure, diabetes, heart attack, heart failure, or even stroke. Studies of sleep-deprived soldiers in the field show us that not getting enough sleep will weaken your immune system and upset your entire circadian rhythm for years to come. Your circadian rhythm is your personal sleep habit that's based on when your body goes to sleep and when it wakes up. During World War II, Adolf Hitler tasked his scientists with creating a drug to make super soldiers. Based on Morell's journal, or Hitler's personal physician, this drug, called Brevitin or crystal meth, did not create Holt-like figures or Captain America abilities, but rather took away the soldiers' need to sleep, made them reckless and fearless, and they could keep fighting for days at a time. This turned many battles into the Nazis' favor, but the long-term effects of using this drug caused insomnia-like implications, like heart attacks and the deterioration of their mental state. Civilizations throughout the ages have believed dreams to be messages from gods, or that they signify mental illnesses. Civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome all use dream interpretation to predict the future and understand messages from their various gods. I hope that you appreciate your dreams and your incredible superpower of sleep.